In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Sam's Club credit card. To get started, go to the Sam's Club credit website and sign in to your online credit card account. If you haven't set up online access yet, you'll need to register first using your card details and account information. This only takes a few minutes, and once your account is set up, managing payments becomes much easier. After signing in, select your credit card account if you have more than one card linked to your profile. This is an important step because you want to make sure you're paying the correct account before moving forward. Next, look for the Payments section, which may also appear as Manage and Make Payments. This is where you'll handle everything related to your card payment. Once you're there, choose the payment amount that works for you. Most accounts will give you several options, such as the minimum payment due, the full statement balance, the current balance, or a custom amount. If you want to avoid interest charges, paying the statement balance is usually the best option, but choose the amount that fits your situation. Then select your payment method. In most cases, this will be a US checking account. If you haven't added a bank account before, you may need to enter your account details and save that payment method to continue. Make sure everything is entered carefully so there are no delays. After that, choose the payment date. You can usually make the payment immediately by selecting today's date, or you can schedule it for a future date if that's more convenient. Scheduling ahead can be helpful if you want to stay on top of your due dates. Before submitting anything, take a moment to review all of the payment details. Double check the amount, the selected account, the bank account being used, and the payment date. This review step helps prevent mistakes and gives you one last chance to confirm everything is correct. Once everything looks right, click Submit or Make Payment to complete the process. After you do that, wait for the confirmation message to appear. It's a good idea to save or print the confirmation number for your records, just in case you need to reference the payment later. Finally, check your account again later to confirm that the payment has posted successfully. Online payments often post the same day, but some payment types can take longer to fully clear. Keeping an eye on your account helps ensure your payment was processed without any issues.